add schema markup to your WordPress website? This is the most common question people ask for, and trust me, it's not as complicated as people make it. If your website is not getting clicks even after ranking on first page of Google, then it's your own fault because you are missing the most important feature of SEO, that is schema markup. And the truth is, two websites can rank same page of Google, but the website which is having the rich snippets, Google star ratings, FAQs and more details will get more clicks from the users. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is schema markup and why it's important for your website, and how you can just add schema markup to your WordPress website to improve the SEO of your website and get the rich results on Google. So without wasting the time, let's continue.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
So schema markup is basically a type of structured data or special code that we add in a website, so search engines like Google can understand our content better. For example, if you are having the blog post, articles, product page, FAQ section, recipes, then with the help of schema markup, you can guide Google what your content is about. Because of this schema markup, Google can display more detailed information about your content like reviews, star ratings, FAQs, product prices, etc. This is called rich snippets. Basically, in simple words, schema markup helps your website to communicate with the search engines about your content. Now the biggest question is, why schema markup is important for your website? Well, the answer is, instead of showing the simple blue link, schema markup will help Google to display the detailed information about your content like FAQs, reviews, star ratings, prices, breadcrumbs and many more details. And by doing this, you will get the more visibility and more clicks from the users. So for adding the schema markup to your website, you need to install the pro version of the Definite SEO plugin. You can also use the free version of it, but if you want advanced settings in the schema markup feature or want to go further in the schema markup for your website, then according to me, you need to install the pro version of it. I will show you the key differences between pro version and free version of the Definite SEO schema markup. So here you can see in my website the Definite SEO's Pro version is already installed now. So first thing you have to do is go to the dashboard settings of the Definite SEO plugin and just turn on the module of the schema markup and just save the changes. So finally, with the Definite SEO, you get a full set of schema tools directly inside your WordPress dashboard. These tools make it easier to create, import, add and validate schema markup, so you can generate rich snippets that increase your visibility in search results. So after saving the changes, I'm going to open my post. Like I'm just going to open any random post from to where I want to add the schema markup. I'm just opening a post, and after opening any random post, I'm just going to the Definite SEO's post site settings and just clicking on the schema markup option. So all the schemas that are present in the pro version are here. I will also show you which type of free schema templates and which type of features we get in the free version of the Definite SEO plugin. I'm just opening another website in the different window. So here you can see in one side there is a pro version of the schema markup in Definite SEO plugin, and in the another side there is a free version of the schema markup in Definite SEO plugin itself. So the major difference is in the schema templates. So in the Definite SEO plugin, in the free schema templates, you will get templates like article, web page, product schema, video, event, service, etc. But in the pro version, you will get schemas like FAQ page, organization, local business, how to, product review and many more. And the second major difference is in the pro version you can also import schema from the third party. Yes, so suppose if you want to import schema from the third party web application, like third party pages that are outside hosted, then you just need to enter their link in the box and the Definite SEO will import schema from it. So this was the second major difference in the pro version and free version of the Definite SEO plugin. Now we are moving forward with the third difference that is clearly visible, that is the create schema or template option. So in the pro version you can create totally different schema from scratch and you can just add their name, values, or you can also check in the raw editor like how your schema will look in the code, and if you want to do any customization in the raw editor then the Definite SEO plugin will gives you full flexibility to do in the pro version. And if we go to the free version then you will not get an option to create schema from scratch. You can only use schema templates that are present in the Definite SEO plugin. But yes, you can use multiple schemas per page even if you are a free user of the Definite SEO plugin. So this was the differences between free version and pro version of the Definite SEO plugin schema markup feature. For better understanding on screen there is a clear difference visible, like what is the difference and which type of features are present in the pro version and free version of the Definite SEO plugin. So for adding the schema markup to your website, you need to open any post, page, product, blog, anything to where you want to add the schema markup. Currently, I have opened this post, here you can see. And in this post, I am just adding the schema markup with the Definite SEO plugin. Just move forward with the post site settings of this plugin and click on the schema markup option. So here you can see by default the article schema is added here because the value is set from the dashboard settings of the Definite SEO plugin. Like here, if we go to the dashboard settings and then click on the schema markup option. From here in the post section the schema type is set to the article schema. That means whenever I open any post the article schema will be added by default. Now we are again going back to the post. So the article schema is already added here, but if you want to add multiple schemas to your post then you can just add the multiple schemas from the templates here that is given by the Definite SEO plugin, or you can also generate it with AI, but I am going to generate it with AI. So just click on the AI icon from here. Then just select like which type of context sources you want to give to AI. So after selecting the context sources, you can also add the topic of your page, product, blog, article, anything. Like I have added here the topic and my current value is the article schema. That means currently on my post the article schema is added here. Now I am clicking on the next button. Here I can select like which type of tone I want for my schema markup, like I want to keep it on professional, and which type of audience I will serve, like I'm just serving the general public. You can select it according to you, like if you have a business website and your audience are business owners then you can just select the business options, and if you have the developing type website then you can just select the audience type as developers. Then you can select like which type of style you want for your schema type. I just want it for SEO optimized. Now after selecting the additional context, click on the next button. So here the Definite SEO plugin gives you full flexibility to generate schemas in any language you want. Currently I am generating it in English, and then click on next button. And finally you can add the custom instructions here, like you can add any custom guidance or requirements for the AI to follow. Then click on the next button. In the final step you can review like what type of guidance you have given to the AI, and then click on the generate button. So within few seconds the AI of the Definite SEO plugin will give you fully optimized SEO based schema markup for your website, like here. So the AI of the Definite SEO plugin have created the two schemas for my post, that is blog posting schema and the FAQ schemas. These schemas are totally based on the content that I have written and the keywords that I have added in it and according to my title. So I'm just accepting the post schemas. Like if you want to generate more type of schemas, then you can just click on the regenerate button, but here I'm going to accept them. So now schemas are added. I'm going to show you like which type of values have added in my schema markup. Just click here, and here you can see under the context there is a link of schema.org and type is blog posting, and my headline and my description of the schema markup is already added here. And then under the author there is a type person and then ID. And here you can see all the values are added here by AI, and there is an option of image also. Like if you want to add any image in the schema markup, then just click on the add image and select it. I'm just selecting it from my media library. So here you can see the schema markup is totally created by the AI of the Definite SEO plugin, and you can also check it in the raw editor like how the schema markup will look. Here you can see. So my schema markup will look like this. If I add it to my website, my page, product, anything, like you can check it here from raw editor. And now the most important part is here. Without validating the schema or without testing the schema, you can't trust if the schema is correct. So for it, just click on the test schema.org option here that is given by the Definite SEO plugin. I'm going to click here. So after clicking the test schema, the validator.schema.org will open. From here you can just validate your schema, like if the values you have added are correct or not. I'm going to check if the schema values that are added by AI are correctly validating or not. Just click on the validate button, and here you can see there are no errors or no warnings in the schema markup. That means all the values that are added here are totally fine and fully SEO friendly. Now I'm going to do same with the FAQ page schema that is again added by AI for my post. So here you can see the values that are added by AI looks like this. Like the type is FAQ page and the question and the name of the question is this and the answer is here. Like here you can see all the values are present here, and if we click on the raw editor, then here you can see the schema will look like this. So again I'm going to check it on the schema.org validator. Click on the validate button and see there are no errors and no warnings again for the FAQ page schema. That means this schema is totally fine and fully SEO friendly. So we have added the two schema types for a post, that is blog posting schema and FAQ page schema, and both these schemas are created with the help of AI and totally validating. If you want to add multiple schemas you can add, but remember don't overstuff with any random schema types. Just add the relevant schemas for your website, post, page, product, anything. Now we are moving forward with the second option, that is import schema. So suppose if you don't want to add any template or don't want to add any create schema from scratch, then you can just import schema from third party. So click on the import schema option, and after clicking this type of interface will appear. So the first thing you have to do is select the input source to import. Like you have to select the input source that you want to add for importing the schema. And this feature is designed with maximum flexibility, offering three convenient ways to import schema markup. First is import by URL, or second is import by HTML code, and third is import by JSON LD code. You can select it according to you, but I am currently selecting the first one, that is import by URL. So after selecting it, I have to enter the link here in the box from where I want to import the schema. I have added the link of the Definite SEO website, and then click on the get schema data. And within few seconds the Definite SEO plugin will found the schemas that are present on this post or page. So here you can see 6 schema types are present in this page. Like first is person, then there is organization, website, image object, breadcrumb list and article. Like if you want to add any schema type to your own post, then you can just open any schema. Like here I am going to open this website schema. And here you can just change the values and customize the values, then add it on your own page or post anything. Then just click on add schema after changing the values. So this was the option of importing schema. So there is another important feature of the Definite SEO plugin, that is create schema or template from scratch. Yes, you can create it with AI also, but if you want to create it manually, then there is an option here. Click on the create schema templates. So this is the one of the standout features of the Definite SEO Pro in the schema builder. Like unlike the pre-built templates that are limited to the specific schema types, this builder gives you freedom to create completely customized schemas tailored to your content and business needs. You can choose from hundreds of schema types defined by the schema.org itself. So we are done with the creating or importing the schema templates. So the creating and importing schema templates is just the first step. To truly benefit from the structured data, you need to apply it correctly across your website. So for it, you just need to go to the dashboard settings of the Definite SEO plugin. So click on the dashboard settings, then click on the schema markup option from here. So for most websites, different content type serves different purposes, and applying the right schema markup to each of them is the critical for SEO success. And for it, Definite SEO makes this process simple with its default schema settings panel. So this feature allows you to configure which schema type should be automatically applied to post, pages, product, custom post types or taxonomies. That means this schema type you will add here will automatically set to default. So whenever you open any post or create any post, page, product, anything, the default schema will be added there. After selecting the default schema type for your post, you can also customize the post title and the post description for your schema types. You can add them manually or you can just insert the variables. Same go for the page and product. Like here I am going to click on the page. Here you can customize the page title and the page description. Like you can add them manually or you can insert the variables. The values you will set here for the page title and the page description will be set on default. That means whenever you will add schema type to your page, this value will be set as a default there. Same go for the schema type. You can just set the schema for default. And again go for the product. Same things are for the product. You can just select the product title and the product description, like which type of title and the description you want for default in your products. So in many real world scenarios, a single schema type is not enough to describe a piece of content accurately. Some pages combine multiple types of information, and using only one schema would limit the way search engines would understand and display your content. So to address this, Definite SEO Pro allows you to set multiple default schemas for your post, pages, products, custom post type and the taxonomies. Alright, so we are done with the schema markup settings for our website, and we have added the schema using AI. We have also imported the schema from the third party, and now I have told you how you can just do the dashboard side settings of the schema markup in Definite SEO plugin. So let's see how our schema markup is looking now after validating and after adding to my post. So I'm just going to update the post here. And now I'm going to preview the changes. I'm just clicking on Control U. So here you can see this is the schema that we have added using AI with the Definite SEO plugin. So this schema is totally validating and proper SEO friendly. That will help me to get the rich snippets on the search engine results and will help me to get rankings and more clicks. So that's how you can add schema markup to your WordPress website in just few minutes only with the help of Definite SEO AI SEO plugin. Thanks for watching and best of luck for optimizing your website.